Morning guys, it's Miss Graves here. I'm going to show you a video to help you with your e-learning because I'm sure by the time class was over yesterday you were looking at things and going, what do I have to do? I'll worry about it tomorrow. So let me pause for just a second here, flip my camera around, and then I will explain what you're going to do. I wanted to show you this poster that's been hanging up on the side wall of the classroom all year long. It kind of goes along with the silhouette head. And the reason why I'm showing it to you is because the silhouette head is very much like what you're going to do today. When you're making an inference, you're collecting details from one text, jumbling them up in your brain and thinking about them to come up with one inference. In synthesis, which is what you're doing today, you're also collecting details, you're just collecting them from more than one source. When you jumble them up in your brain, the kinds of things that you might think are, you select specific details and you say, you know what, these details make me think, or, hey, when I group these details together, I'm thinking it's like when, or, oh, all these details, when I group them together, these are a sign of. So now when I take that same idea to the synthesis paper that you have in front of you that we took notes on. Remember, this is the Candy research side. This is our practice side. I collected details from this source and this source. And let's look at what I collected. I collected that sugar can lead to heart disease. I collected that sugar is linked to type 2 diabetes. And I collected that sugary junk food stimulates parts of your brain very much like drugs that people abuse. So this is about your brain, this is about your heart, and this is about another system that affects your organs. So all these three details, when I put them together, it kind of makes me think that they're trying to tell me that sugar can damage your vital, which just means important, organs. So what this shape is it's sort of like, it's telling me what my body paragraph would be about. Because I'm arguing whether candy is actually bad for my health, one of my body paragraphs would say, one of the reasons why sugar is bad for your health is because it damages your vital organs. And then throughout that paragraph, I would include these three details from these two sources and talk and explain about them. So that's what we did with the candy side. We also collected a couple other details from some other sources to put some details here. It seems to me like we put together that people normally consume 60 pounds of sugar in a year from this source. And we put together that men are supposed to consume no more than 150 calories from sugar, which is 9 teaspoons in one day. And that women are supposed to consume no more than 100 calories from sugar, which is 6 teaspoons a day. So these two sources have those details and it puts it together. And it makes me think, you know, yeah, we're consuming way too much sugar. And it is bad for me, but they're not saying that I can't have it at all. They're saying that I need to use moderation. I need to not overeat sugar in order to stay healthy. So this body paragraph would be about using sugar in moderation so I don't hurt myself and damage my health. So for today's e-learning, you have your bottled water side. You're going to be collecting details from at least two sources, squishing them together and deciding, okay, these details are all kind of about what? And put that in this bubble. And then you're going to go on and collect some more details, at least two different sources. You can put 3, and you're going to put those together in this bubble. So you need at least 2 of these bubbles filled in. Yeah, you can do all 4, and if you do something like that, I'll let you know which 2 are your best 2. Okay, have a great day. Happy e-learning.